This room still remembers your rhythm, every breath, every echo of you. I trace the space where your body once lay, trying to feel what absence can undo. Your perfume lingers on the air like a ghost, and every inhale burns like truth. My hands keep reaching for a memory, but the air's too cold without your heat. This distance is torture, it's burning me alive. I crave your touch like oxygen to survive. Every night the silence turns into a flame, and all I whisper is your name. I don't just miss your voice or your smile, I miss your skin against mine for a while. The sheets still hold our confession, every wrinkle a sin we made. I replay your laugh, your sigh, your motion, like a song that never fades. My mind drifts back to the warmth we made. Now it's just me and this hunger that stays. I've tried to dream, but even sleep betrays me. Every dream just brings you closer painfully. This distance is torture, it's burning me alive. I crave your touch like oxygen to survive. Every night the silence turns into a flame, and all I whisper is your name. I don't just miss your voice or your smile, I miss your skin against mine for a while. I can handle the waiting, but not the wanting. The body remembers what the heart's still haunting. I take cold showers just to cool the fire, but nothing chills this kind of desire. Every beat of Kompa in my head reminds me how it felt in that bed. Torture, it's burning me alive. I crave your touch like oxygen to survive. Every night the silence turns into a flame, and all I whisper is your name. I don't just miss you, I ache completely. I need you here, physically next to me. Your voice in my head, your heat in my dreams. This love's a fever that never leaves. Come back, baby, let me